Ano pala, for future me, ano bang translation ng Carrie? Hello, Velvet! Hi! Feel kong cute niya. We are off! I have been abandoned in the middle of this desert. Ata is a machine. She's non-stop. Here's the nail reveal. Ayan, oh. It was not a very nice day. Hello, it is just past 10 in the morning on Monday, the 20th of January 2025. If you didn't catch my last vlog of me in Cebu, I am now in Tacloban, which is my mom's hometown. I'm thinking of doing something interesting this week. This week's vlog is going to be in Taglish. That is a mixture of Tagalog or Filipino and English. Might be a little bit of a challenge for me, especially to try and keep it sounding like as natural as possible, but I think it'll be a lot of fun. So we're here for the week and let's see how it goes. First things first though, may trabaho ko. May trabaho ko in like 30 minutes. Hindi pa ako tapos paghanda, kaya handa muna ako and then let's get to work. It's hard living out of your suitcase. I'm currently halfway through my class. I didn't manage to finish my prep stuff, and now I am in the middle of a 5-minute break. Real quick, just updating you guys. Itong setup ko. I have my iPad here. It's connected to the MacBook, and then I have everything that I need dito. It's actually not my MacBook. It's my aunt's. Kasi I actually have an iMac, which is at home. Pero hindi ko naman pwede dalhin. I need to buy a MacBook for sure next month siguro habang nasa Australia ako kasi mas mura doon. But yeah, because I'm working from home for this whole year at the very least. Tapos na ako! So that was just like about an hour and 30 minutes of work. So ngayon, pupunta daw kami ng Robinsons kaya I need to get ready to go. I just did a really quick shower. And then ngayon, nandito na kami sa Robinsons. Sabi ni Mama gusto niyang kumain ng pepper lunch. So, we're looking for pepper lunch now. Oh, I see it! Bago itong pepper lunch dito eh. Or at least last time ako nandito, wala. To be fair though, it's been like sobrang isang taon na since last time ako nandito sa Tacloban. Change of mind. Auntie Papa wants manginasal, so dito lang kami sa manginasal. And I love manginasal naman eh, so hindi naman ako sad. Ito yung pagkain. Lagi akong paa. And then ngayon, ayan si Kuya, nagsasabaw na rin. Is it just me ba? Or sobrang init pa lagi sa loob ng mga manginasal? But yeah, so I'm like sweating now. But we're on our way to Watson's kasi naubusan ako ng facial spray ko. So maghahanap muna ako ng alternative. Okay, I'm inside Watson's now. Medyo maraming tao. Pero spacious naman yung Watson's na ito. Hinahanap ko either yung Avene yung Avene na spray kasi yun yung gusto ko eh. Yun normally yung ginagamit ko. They only have Evian. Meron naman sila yung malaki, maliit. Maliit na lang siguro, maliit na lang. They only had Evian, so ito lang bibilhin ko. Meron pa akong maraming malaki, pero nandun sa Manila. At saka meron na akong mga maliit pa, pero nandun sa box. Galing sa Korea, kaya walang pag-asa. Ito na lang muna. Yun, nandito naman kami sa handyman. Naghanap kasi kami ng curtains para dun sa kwarto, dun sa bahay na dapat spare room. Walang kurtina, kaya naghanap muna kami. Medyo marami naman ng options, pero hindi ko alam anong hinahanap ng mama ko in particular. Oh my God, ang super cute nito. Ngayon filters naman, kasi well water lang ginagamit namin ngayon sa bahay kasi wala pang tubig galing sa pipes. Now we're at the department store and there are so many options. Marami rin mga buy one get one. Ang hinahanap ata ng mama ko mga blackout curtains. She knows me talaga kasi ako hirap na hirap ako matulog na may ilaw. They're playing Feather by Sabrina Carpenter and it's a lot of fun to hear. It is censored though. Just they censored the B word out of it. But I do kind of find it funny how a lot of stores in the Philippines and in Asia in general will just play a lot of English songs that would be in some places considered a little bit inappropriate. But I love Sabrina Carpenter, so no problems at all with me. There's the whole of the many curtains. And down the back over there is the cut. Meron silang mga sasakyan dito sa loob. Ang cute nitong X-Force. Naghahanap kasi kami ng sasakyan para sa akin eh. Feel ko ang cute niya. After this train, papasok kami ng Uniqlo. Nasira ko kasi yung isang jean shorts ko. I just like pulled it open and then the button went straight through. Kaya maghahanap ako ng replacement kasi ngayon, nag-iisa lang yung shorts na dinala ko ngayon. Kasi sira nga yung isa. Okay, alam ko sabi ko jean shorts pero sobrang cute nito. Cotton Easy shorts. Bakit i-try ko siya? Libre naman mag-try eh. In terms of actual jean shorts, ang nahanap ko pa lang itong skirt. Pero parang hindi ko type mag-skirt eh. Ito naman linen shorts. Maganda siya pero yung nga, sabi ko eh, jean shorts ang hinahanap ko. Tuloy, ang dami ko nahahanap na hindi jean shorts. Ano ba? Okay, so ito yung easy shorts. Slip-on lang talaga siya. Like, wala siyang buttons or zippers or anything. Okay naman ata siya. This is a size large. Pero I also have a medium para i-try. Okay. Ito naman yung medium. This is like the closest thing to denim shorts na nahanap ko. Kaya, okay naman yung fit. Ewan ko kung anong mas gusto ko. In all honesty, they feel almost the same. Parang hindi ko talaga matala kung ano bang difference nila. Okay, so these ones are the last pair of shorts. Yung linen shorts nila. Ito, meron siyang botones, meron siyang zipper. Pero, parang hindi ko bet yung kulay. Feeling ko tuloy parang I'm about to guide you through a safari. The Uniqlo pajamas are really, really comfortable. So, bibili ako ng isa pa. Kung meron size ko. Ayun, meron. Nag-iisang large. I was going to pay for it, pero mama said siya na daw mababayad, so thank you. We're now in the department store. Oh, we're now in the supermarket, sorry, to pick up a few things. I remember when this place used to be not very well stocked, but seems like we've recovered. Ayan o. Kahit anong maiisip mo na mayonnaise, meron na. Sa totoo lang, hindi ako sure kung ano bang bibilhin natin. Nagsusunod-sunod lang ako. Kasi hindi naman ako dito nakatira sa Tacloban talaga eh. Andito lang ako for a week. And then, uuwi na ako. Lily's peanut butter is my favorite peanut butter. Pero smooth yan ah. Meron ng chunky ang Lily's. Yeah. Maida naman. Apparently my mom did not know that Lily's now has chunky peanut butter. But, hindi ako mahilig ng chunky. Ayoko ng crunchy. Pero ikaw, kasi yan ang paborito mo, crunchy peanut butter eh. Pero yeah, sa Manila ko na lang kayo dadalhin para mag-shopping, mag-grocery. Pero ito siguro ang pinaka malaking kitchen roll na nakita ko in my life. Like, size siya ng maliit na vinyl. Grabe, ang laki. Bumili rin ako ng chichirya. Ewan ko kung mamano ko yung mic tsaka yung ano. Pero bumili rin ako ng chichirya. I'm actually allergic to shrimp. Pero shrimp flavored naman. Basta shrimp flavored lang. Hindi naman yung totoong shrimp most of the time eh. And I quite like those crackers. So, kung mga teho ko, GG na lang. Okay lang naman. Carrie. Ano pala, for future me, ano bang translation ng carry in English? Putang ko pala, kailangan ko ng toothbrush. This one's like 30 pesos, so okay na. Kailangan ko lang naman siya para sa retainers ko, so ang dami-dami kong Go Rewards points, over 9,000. Almost 10 nga actually eh, so ayan. Almost 10,000. Hindi ko makita mo ba? Ayan, almost 10,000. So, ginagamit ko ngayon siya sa grocery. Ako na lang mababayad sa points ko. Diba? Why not? Ayun. So, sobrang 3,000 something yung grocery namin. 0 pesos kasi sa points ko. Yay! Who didn't love free stuff, diba? Bet ko talaga Sam's. Mas masarap ang Sam's. Pinakamasarap na tusok-tusok sa loob ng mall. Guess itong importanteng question. Pag nasa tusok-tusok ka, ano ang tusok-tusok mo of choice? Ako, probably controversially, ang choice ko talaga lagi chicken ball. Sweet sauce, not spicy. Here it is. Ito yung chicken ball. And then lahat sila kikiam. Ako lang ang chicken ball. So, when outside Daiso, meron lang hinahanap ang mama ko. I'm not sure what. Pero, yeah. Lagi ko nasa Daiso sa Korea. Ibang-ibang itsura ng Daiso dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi I think this Daiso is from Japan. Iba kasi yung Daiso Korea eh. Pero parang bet ko lahat ng mga plastic nila. Mga lunchboxes nila, ganun. Ang dami rin nila mga storage organizers. Yung para sa pantry. Meron rin silang weirdly wavy na kutsara tinidor. Ayan. Para siyang naka-wave. Meron din silang Mickey Mouse na mold. Ayan o. Mga Disney style. Renovate kasi namin plano namin i-renovate yung bahay dun sa Manila. Kaya siguro, pag renovate namin, pag ayos namin, re-reorganize ko talaga yung pantry ko. And I might buy a few things from Daiso. Kung hindi sa Daiso, sa Lazada for sure. I have been abandoned in the middle of this Daiso. Hindi ko alam kung nasa ng mama ko. Hindi ko alam kung nasa ng auntie ko. They're here somewhere. They just left me the shopping trolley and sabi nila, dito ka lang. So, I hope they come back. Please rescue me. Update, I'm no longer an orphan. I've been found. Ayan, nagbabayad na kami. Okay, so everybody's at Bo's Coffee. Pero hindi kasi ako nakakape. And parang hindi ko type magkain ng anything from there. Kahit small snack lang. So, dito ako sa Doghouse. Meron silang cheese fries. At least noon. Parang gusto ko yun ulit. Thank you, kuya. And siguro ako, lemonade na lang. Meron stand dito noon. Ewan ko kung nandun pa. Tingnan natin. Ay, may Power Max Center na dito. Wala yan nun eh. Bago yan for sure. But look, Tacloban is a growing city na talaga. Like, growing na talaga. I found the lemonade stand. Funny thing is that when I walked up, she called me sir by accident. We had a good laugh about it, but so pretty funny. Sabi lang niya, hindi kasi niya ako nakita na maayos. Nag-react siya bago talaga niya nakita kung sino ako. But that's okay. Kakatawa naman. We're now at Globe kasi meron lang silang inasikaso. I'm just sitting here playing phone games basically kasi wala akong magawa. I'm a smart girly. Hindi ako Globe. Kaya, pero ang mama ko, tsaka ang pamilya nila. Ang pamilya niya, almost all of them are with Globe. Marami silang inaasikaso. Ako nakaupo lang ako dito. Wala akong ginagawa. Phone games. Lately, I've been playing this bus game. It's a lot of fun. It's a little bit addictive, I'm not gonna lie. We're finally packing the car. That means pauwi na kami! We are home na. Umalis na ang mama ko. Umuwi na siya. But the day is still not done for me. Kailangan ko pa magtrabaho. I'm not looking forward to it, but kailangan sumahod. So, I'm done with work na. Well, at least was prepping for tomorrow. Sa totoo lang, gusto ko mag-prep for the rest of the week. Pero, we'll see kung kaya ba. Pero, gutom na ako. Kaya, nandito na kami sa sasakyan. My aunt's driving me siguro to Burger Junction. Gusto ko ng Burger Junction. Buy one, take one burgers. May special place talaga ang buy one, take one burgers sa puso ko. I know they're full of shit. I know they're bad for you. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it at all. I'm still having my buy one, take one burgers. Burger Junction. Ate is a machine. She's non-stop. Salamat, ate. Thank you. We're off to McDonald's just to buy fries. Feeling ko kasi parang hindi complete na walang fries. Kaya, hahapit lang kami. Dito lang sa drive-thru. Mabilis lang. Thank you! Hot ba? No. Oh, sakto. This is the spread. Here's my Burger Junction. Buy one, take one. Cheeseburger. And there's the fries from Macca's. And I bought a lot of gravy. Because paborito ko McDonald's gravy kasama ng fries. Then of course, sa family ko, Coke lagi. It's late now. Matutulog na ako. May trabaho bukas. Bye. It is 10:30 in the morning on Tuesday, the 21st of January. I am up trying to recover my sleepy throat because I've got work to do. Halfway through, and I swear to God, sometimes it is a bit of an effort teaching a whole class of boys, but we're making it work. Nagpo-push through pa rin ako. Kaya to. It is now 12:20 almost, and sa wakas tapos na ako. Grabe ang rowdy nila. Kung minsan-minsan talaga, pag natuturo mo isang klase na lahat sila lalaki, grabe talaga ang ka-rowdiness nila. I have a few things to finish up with work bago kami umalis. I'm not entirely sure what we're going to do today, so sabay-sabay na lang ako. But I can hear construction outside kasi I think ginagawa nila yung kwarto ko. Or rather, the guest room na dun dapat ako nagsastay. Dinalagyan nila kasi ng mga kortina. Kaya, lagi lang may tunog na nagpupukpok. Sana naman hindi narinig talaga during the class, but sometimes it's a bit loud talaga. Okay, update. So there is now a plan. We are on the way to my mom's house. She lives in a different town, so we're going there now because there is running water in her house. At least at this time, there is running water in her house. So I'm going to go to her house. I'm going to take a shower, hot water and not well water, and be able to brush my teeth and my aligners like properly, like hard, with running water, instead of needing to rely on like mineral water that we just pour on. I think we're also going... Ay, teka lang. Bakit ako nag-English? Nag-automatic na naman. Oh my God. Okay. And then, Chowking tayo, auntie? And then we're also gonna pass by Chowking. Kasi, kinukutom na ako, grabe. Ayan ang MacArthur Park. Nasaan na ba yung statue? Ayun! Kita mo yung statue. Ewan ko kung zoomin ko. Ayan! Yan yung mga statue. Di mo kita yung yung nandun sa likod. Yan yung memorial nung landing at Leyte. Yeah. If you are a World War II history buff, specifically with the Pacific Theater, that's definitely one of the places na kailangan mo talaga puntahan. Ito na yung Chowking. Okay, so nandito na kami sa house ng mama ko. I just was out after kumain lang kami. Then after, nandito kami sa labas kasi bagong ligo lang yung mga dogs. Actually, sa totoo lang, sa dogs na yun, isa lang yung akin. And I think we need to take him to the vet tomorrow talaga. Kasi medyo, after isang year na wala ako dito, then almost isang year na wala ang mama ko rin, the dogs need a little bit of care. Kaya, bukas dadalhin namin siya sa vet after work. Ang sarap-sarap na meron running water, na may heater. Sarap talaga maligo. Sometimes you just don't really notice gaano ka reliant ka sa water na malinis na lumalabas galing sa gripo until it's taken away from you. It's so nice. And that was just one day. One day lang ako na hindi nakaligo ng maayos. Reklamador talaga ako. Oh my God, natulog ako. Hinihintay ko kasi yung auntie ko bumalik. Kasi, kaya kami nandito ngayon sa mama ko. Kasi, meron kasi siyang kailangang bilhin at asikasuhin dun sa business sa mama ko. Kaya, nandito kami sa mama ko. And yung mga natulog ako. Tulog na tulog ako talaga. Pero ngayon, paalis na kasi kami. So, pabalik na kami ng Tacloban. Hello, Velvet! Hi! 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 And that's my dog. That's actually my dog. That's Hannapol. That's my dog. Hello, Hannapol! Come here! Hannapol! Hello, Hannapol! Hi! Hi! Hi, boy! Hello! Hello! Oh, boy. I miss you. I miss you. I'm gonna take you to the vet tomorrow. I'm gonna take you to the vet. Sige, Kopi? It's a bit noisy dito, pero we are at Tia Tita's, which is a very, very popular restaurant dito sa Tacloban. Ito ang pagkain namin. Filipino food na naman. Lumpia. Meron lang kaming elote corn. Elote de palo. Kasi masarap yung corn nila dito. Andito na kami sa massage parlor that my mom really likes to go to. Nagpapamasahe kami. Ayan. See? Lagi masakit ang pa ako. Kaya yung nagtanong si mama, gusto mo ba magpamasahe? Of course, yes. Lalo pa bayad ni mama. Hindi bayad ko. Okay, we are at home na. I found out yung spare room na dapat doon ako natutulog. Yung ba tama bang Tagalog? Whatever, gets naman ninyo. Hindi pa linagyan ng cortina. Yung hindi pa tapos. Kaya, dito na naman ako for another night in my little like coffin-like situation na bed. But that's okay. Hopefully, it'll be done tomorrow. Para doon na ako makatulog. I get a proper bed. In the meantime, I'm gonna get ready for bed kasi it's almost 11 o'clock. And meron pang trabaho bukas. Rest muna. Joke! Hindi pala muna matutulog kasi nakalimutan ko I have to mark people's homework before class tomorrow. Ayan, kaya work muna while it's literally 11:11 p.m. It's like late na. Tapos ko na yung trabaho ko. I'm ready for bed. I'm basically in bed right now. I just forgot to film, so see you tomorrow. It is Wednesday, the 22nd of January. It is almost 10:30, which means we need to get ready for work. Ano mo naman buhok ko? Ayan, tulog na tulog kasi. I'm halfway done with work. So, medyo madilim dito sa loob. Kasi hindi ko alam kung naririnig mo, pero umuulan kasi sa labas. But, I was like more than 5 minutes overdue. Kasi kinip talaga ako ng mga estudyante ko. Unpaid work, not too fun, pero sige na lang, tiyaga na lang. Sige na lang kasi it's better, I guess, that meron nga talaga some questions. That means gusto nila talaga gawin ang work nila rather than just like not asking any questions at all. Then hindi sila nag-homework kasi sasabihin nila, oh, it's because I didn't know what to do. Diba? Okay, so now we're on our way to the vet. Dala-dala rin namin yung isang aso, the one that's not actually mine, pero it's actually my cousin's. But nandun siya ngayon sa bahay, nagsastay eh. So, dala-dala rin namin siya. Meron wound, ano bang samad in Tagalog?
Sugat.
May sugat, ayun. May sugat may sugat yung aso ko. Ewan ko kung saan nagaling, pero meron siyang sugat. So, kaya namin siya dadalhin sa vet. Tsaka, due na pala siya sa vaccination niya. So papapuko na rin namin siya. Hi, Hannapol! Hello, Hannapol! Hi! Mama, you made a friend. Ayan. Magkaibigan na kayo. Ah, so cute! Hello! Hi! Ngayon, nasa Robinsons kami ulit. We're here kasi meron kaming lunch.
kasama sa friend na mama ko. Family friend na talaga siya. So, sabi daw niya, dito kami sa Drake's, which is more of an upscale restaurant dito sa Robinsons. I'm in super casual clothing. I'm literally in Crocs. So, I don't know how that will go in terms of being in a place that's supposed to be a bit more formal. Pero sige na lang. Wala kasing warning eh. Hindi sila nagsabi. We are now inside Drake's and here's my food. I got a ragu tagliatelle. A ragu tagliatelle. I can never say that word right. Now, nasa Watson's kami kasi kailangan ko bumili ng dry shampoo. I just washed my hair yesterday pero grabe. Sabi ng mama ko oily daw. Kasi pinapawisan ako. Lately, init na init ako. So, init na init ako sa bed. Kaya siguro ganyan ang itsura ng buhok ko. Ito lang makita ko na dry shampoo. So, I'll just get this one. Hindi ko pa ito na-try. Normally yung Dove or yung... Ano ba yun yung brand that starts with a B? It's escaping me right now. Pero, yun normally yung binibili ko. Pero parang wala sila dito. So, ito na lang. Okay na to. Ngayon, nasa Handyman kami. Kasi, we are looking for dog treats. And in fairness sa Handyman, ang dami talaga nilang options. This one looks interesting. It's beef and cheese flavored. Ito naman, they're dental care sticks. Pero tinan mo naman, blueberry cheesecake flavored. Ito nga pistachio gelato. Kung bibili kami niyan, my dog will eat better than me pa. I feel like a snack kasi wala na akong ginagawa except kumain. So, Belgian waffle. Oh my god. Oh my god, may ipis. Ugh. It's not inside. Walang ipis sa loob, pero grabe talaga siguro ang ipis dito. Robinsons, ano na? Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Okay, sabi ng mga ate sa Belgian waffle, nagtingin naman ako sa loob, malinis talaga ang loob nila. Nandun lang tayo yung mga ipis sa labas. Sabi daw nila, every 22nd or 23rd of the month, which is today's the 22nd actually, nag-pest control yung Robinsons na ito. And parang alam ng mga ipis na mamamatay na sila. Kaya lumalabas daw sila. It happens daw halos every month. I don't know why. Hindi rin nila alam bakit. Pero nangyayari yan talaga daw dito. But anyway, ito na. This is French butter caramel. Yung ino-order ko noon, yung maple syrup nila. Pero di-discontinue na daw eh. Kaya caramel na lang naiwan. So, ito na lang. We are now at this place. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito sabihin. Descanso. Descanso pala. I'm just having a lemonade. Lemonade na naman. And then, ano ito, auntie?
Mixed berries.
Mixed berries kay Auntie Papat. Now, I'm at Daiso kasi naghahanap ako ng mga stuff for the dogs. More stuff for the dogs. I'm looking sana for colors. Kasi, meron silang colors noon, pero kinamot daw talaga nila. At sinira nila. So, hahanap kami ng more. Ang cute naman itong treats. Bibila ko na ito. Yung milk. Ugh. Oh my god. Short people problems. Oh my god. Okay. I got it. Pero parang konti lang ang options sila for the colors. Ito lang ata. Pero they're cute naman eh. Ito, I think mas maganda yung slightly thicker. Ang hinahanap ko din is harness. Kasi meron ako nun harness para sa kanya. Pero hindi ko na alam kung nasa napunta. Yung kasi, wala dito sa bahay. Wala dito sa Pilipinas. Pero ngayon, I'm back now. So, aasikasuhin ko na talaga sila maayos. Or at least my dog. Umuwi lang kami ng mabilisan. We just fed the dogs. And I gave Hanapol his medicine. And then magdi-dinner kami. Kasi nandito na ang auntie ko. So here's dinner. Ito, chicken inasal, may kanin lang, tsaka may crab and corn soup. Pero imitation naman yung crab, so I should be fine. And then may chop suey din. So we are actually at the hospital. As you can see, there's a hospital bed. Because my mom... Oh, wow, what a sneeze. Because my mom has a pretty bad cough. So, nagpa-admit muna siya kasi feeling niya na super dehydrated siya. So, nandito muna kami. I haven't prepped yet for tomorrow for work. Nagpadala ng mga tao ng homework. So, kailangan ko muna siyang gawin when we get home. But it's 11:30 na. Ganun na ka-late. So, we just got home not long ago. It's almost 12:30. Pero na-set up ko na rin yung little room for me. Here it is. Ayan. Then na-set up ko na rin yung workstation ko. Sa totoo lang, I'm worried about this room kasi it's not a real room talaga. It's like a partition dun sa living room. So, hindi ako sure kung how the lighting situation and how the noise situation is gonna be here. Pero, dito na lang muna ako kasi kailangan ko pa magtrabaho. Oh my God. Kasi, na-late talaga kami. Hindi dapat talaga kami nakalabas this long. Or lalabas for as long as we were. And then, lalo pa, that we ended up at the hospital. Kaya, wala pang ginawa ng trabaho. So, I need to do a lot of work. And I wanted to make sure na makakatulog ang auntie ko tsaka ang lola ko kasi they now both have a lot to do tomorrow kasi nga basically out of commission ang mama ko bukas. So, ito muna, itong situation. Sa totoo lang, sobrang pagod na ako. At sumasakit pang ulo ko. So, nag-take na ko ng 2 Biogesic. Hopefully, it'll kick in soon. It is 1:23 in the morning. Ang lakas ng ulan and kakatapos ko palang magtrabaho. Or at least mag-prepare for tomorrow. Super pagod na ako. Kaya magpapahinga na ako. Matutulog na ako. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!
Hello. It is Thursday the 23rd of January. It is just before 10:30. I have to get up and move from this bedroom to the other one to work, I think, because there's a lot of noise in this bedroom, so I think masyado siyang maingay for work. Here's the setup. I'm halfway through work. And ngayon, we're in a break. Kaya tumakbo muna talaga ako kasi nag-warning yung laptop na mamamatay na daw siya. Hindi nga na 45 minutes eh. Magpo-45 minutes pa lang. And then, full charge siya. So, oh my God, tumakbo talaga ako. Sakto lang talaga yung timing. Otherwise, patay na naman tayo. I am finally done. Hinold ako ulit ng mga boys. So, medyo late na naman ako. But now, kailangan ko maligo. Need to find some sort of food kasi at 3 o'clock, meron akong appointment for my nails. I'm trying out a nail tech dito sa Tacloban. Kasi, sobrang nag-isang month na ito. Ang ganda pa rin niya, sa totoo lang. No lifting, no anything. But if you watch my Korea vlog, this was before Christmas pa. And, mga 20th ata ng December pa itong nails ko. And so, nagsobrang isang month na talaga siya. So, kailangan ko magpagawa kasi hindi pa dumating yung box ko galing sa Korea. So wala pa ako yung mga nail stuff ko. So, I have to get it done with somebody else. And sometimes, hindi ko naman type na lagi nagagawa ng nails ko. So, I'm happy to get it done by someone every once in a while. I have to feed the dogs muna. Hana po, sit down. Sit. Sit. Up. Sit down. Okay, there you go, honey. Hello, Hana po. we are about to go. I'm driving for the first time in like mga 6 months na siguro. And then, so, lampas 6 months na. Or about 6 months na. And then, first time ko in like over a year na dito magmamaneho sa Pilipinas. I'm missing my sunglasses. Ewan ko kung nasaan. Nayayamot nga ako eh. Tinignan ko na lahat ng gamit ko dito. Wala siya. It's missing. Nayayamot ako kasi Givenchy ko yun. That's like my only designer sunglasses. Kaya, nag-aalala ako na baka nakalimutan namin sa Cebu. Pero sabi kasi nung mga nandun sa Cebu the hotel that we stayed at overnight, hindi ko naman linabas doon. Tsaka sabi naman nila na wala naman naiwan. Kaya, nagtataka ako kung nasaan siya. So, naghiram muna lang ako ng sunglasses sa lola ko. Kasi, I can't drive without sunglasses. Sobrang sensitive ng mata ko. So, on ko muna yung makina. Kasi, open ng init. Kailangan mo na mag-cool down dito sa loob. So, na-delay yung appointment ko. My nail appointment. Buti na lang sa totoo lang. Kasi, super busy ko. Hindi pa ako nag-stop once sa time ko. Hinihintay ko pa lola ko. Kasi she's looking for her keys. Hindi niya mahanap. So, ako, mag-adjust muna ako ng upuan. Ganun. Kailangan ko adjustin yung mirror ko. Ang hirap talaga adjustin ng mirror. Ewan ko bakit. Hirap na hirap lagi ako. It's like always, ever so slightly, meron nagkakamali. Okay na yan. Okay, nagpark lang kami saglit. I'm on my phone kasi nakalimutan ko yung camera ko sa car. Pero, bibili lang kami ng prutas para sa mama ko before punta kami sa hospital. Ayan, nasa fruit stall na kami. Ang lola ko, naghahanap talaga siya ng perfect na banana. Kaya ang tagal namin. Nandito kami sa Jollibee drive-thru. Just getting a little bit more food bago kami pumunta sa hospital. Ang init! Oh my God! Sige. Yeah, thank you!
Hospitals here in the Philippines, natawa ako, 2 bed nila. Akala ko yung bed na yan para sa isang pasyente. Hindi! Ito yung bed para sa pasyente. Ito yung bed para sa bantay.
Jollibee Chicken Joy Supremacy. Okay, nasa downtown na ako. Nagpa-drop off ako sa friend ng mama ko. Ngayon hinahanap ko yung nail salon. Okay, I think I found it na. Oh! Hello! Hi!
Okay, update. That place was basically not much more than a shack. Pero maganda naman siya magawa ng nails. Here's the nails. Wait lang. Wala akong tripod, so ito na lang. But here's the nail reveal. It's checkered, French tip, and meron rin para siyang flower. Nagkaloko-loko lang ng konti yung yung checker ko. Because of the gel that she used. Hindi niya alam, nag-spread siya. Hindi yun expected. But otherwise, ang ganda-ganda niya. Parang naman siya matibay. I guess we'll find out. I got Builder in a bottle. So, it was a little bit more expensive. Pero, okay na. I'm happy. At least as of right now, I'm happy. Yes, malalaman nga natin in the next few weeks kung mag-last siya at how good it is. Andito lang, naghintay lang ako sa isang cafe. Hinihintay ko yung auntie ko, pick upin ako. We'll find out. I just got a hot chocolate. Yan lang. Okay naman siya. Lasang chocolate talaga, for sure.
We are now in another cafe and I'm having a little bit of dinner. This is just some carbonara. But I think it's Filipino carbonara. Ay nako! Shucks, nag-i-English na naman ako, sabi ng auntie ko. Tama. Meron akong carbonara. Filipino carbonara ito, for sure. We are home. Pero meron pa akong trabaho. So, magtrabaho muna. bago matulog. Pero first, kailangan ko muna i-feed yung mga dogs. Paul, he's just chilling inside. Wala lang siya. Nakabukas yung crate niya, pero wala lang siya. Naka-small crate sila ngayon kasi we took them from my mom's house dito sa amin. Kasi nagme-medicina si Hanapol. So, inaasakasa ko muna siya habang nasa hospital mama ko. Kasi ang mama ko hindi makakabigay ng medicina ni Hanapol. So, ako na muna. Pero this was a bit unexpected. Kaya, yung maliit lang na crates yung nandito. Kasi, hindi kasi normally kumakasya sila sa yung crate sa sasakyan. Kaya, yung small crate lang muna. Okay, so nandito na naman ako sa kwarto. I'm basking in the air conditioning. Ang sarap. I'm going to get ready for bed muna. And then, ako magtatrabaho. And then, saka ako matutulog. Oh my God, ang dami lagi kailangan gawin. Siguro kaya lagi masakit ang ulo ko. Okay, so 11:55 p.m. na. Pero I'm ready for bed na. So, gagawin ko ng trabaho ko. Hopefully, it's not gonna take too long. And then after that, I'm gonna start filming a little special, really like long form vlog. And by long form, I mean long form siya kasi it's going to be over the next few months. Without saying too much, it's going to be about the body change thing. Kailangan ko na siya i-start ngayon for a very specific reason na if you watch that vlog later on, malalaman mo bakit. And yeah, so super busy today. Wala talagang kung halos stop. Go lang at go. Pagod na ako, pero push on. Bukas yung last day ko ng work. Itong little section kasi isang week lang naman siya. So, bukas ang stop ko. So, pwedeng makapahinga after that siguro. It is now 1:24 a.m. And I'm finally done na. Ayan, prepped na ako. And I wrote my feedback na. So, done na ako with work. So, last thing to do na lang is to film the part of the vlog nga nasabi ko, film ko. Kasi need na talaga today. And then, matutulog na ako. So, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye! Good morning. It is 10:30 on Friday, the 24th of January. Pagod na pagod pa ako. Gusto ko lang matulog. But I worked and it's the last day. So, salamat naman. Let's go, I guess. Ito yung setup. My alarm's gone off now. I start in 1 minute. Pero, nandito naman ako sa desk, sa spare room that I'm staying in. Kasi ayoko nang i-switch on na naman yung aircon dun sa kwarto ng auntie ko tsaka lola ko. So, dito na lang ako kasi naka-on na yung aircon dito. Tapos na ako! Yes! Sinamit ko na rin sa kanila yung kanilang last homework stuff. I'm free na sa wakas! Oh my God! Sa totoo lang, hindi naman siya ganun kahirap talaga na trabaho. Pero, kasi sa sobrang dami ko laging ginagawa, parang pagod na pagod ako every single time. And ngayon, iniwan ako dito sa bahay. Ang lola ko, binigyan ako ng note sa gitna ng class. Akala ko, she was saying na pupunta kami sa hospital after ako magtrabaho. Pero hindi pala. Sila pala ng auntie ko, kaya iniwan ako sa bahay. Pero I have to feed the dogs muna. And then, I'm gonna go back in and probably, like, take a little bit of a nap siguro. Kasi sobrang pagod pa talaga ako. Ugh, the dogs are giving me trouble. Stark, stop! He wants to keep peeing on the stupid umbrella. Lola, mommy's gonna get mad at me. Yan, pinapakain ko na yung dogs. But, Stark won't listen. I slept a lot. Pero masakit pa rin ang ulo ko. So, time to take drugs, I guess.
Basong kape?
Pizza.
What? Kape, that kape.
Apple.
I'm semi-recovered from my headache. So, lumabas kami for dinner. We're at Bigsby. Never pa ako kumain dito, so we'll see how it tastes. Ito line kami. Mabilisan lang. Like, hindi ba yun yung generic na top? Linagay lang nila.
Oo.
hindi yung totoong top mo. This is yung Chicks Ahoy. Parang ganun. It's like garlic gravy na chicken. Pauwi na kami. We just stopped by dun sa house ng lola ko. Nagkuha lang ako ng gamit. Ilan lang nga ng gamit eh. Hindi ako nakuha yung actual suitcase ko. Nagdala lang ako ng halos pangligo lang. Kasi I want a proper shower. Kasi yung nga, well water lang dun sa bahay ng lola ko ngayon. And wala silang heater. So dito ako sa bahay ng mama ko na meron siyang heater. Na-discharge siya today. So ayan, pauwi na kami. And siguro pang bantay na rin ako. Though right now nasa Mercury Drug kami. Yan, magsasara na yung Mercury Drug. Pero nakahabol pa kami. Nagkukuha lang siya ng antibiotics niya that was prescribed to her dun sa ospital. Wala kasi silang stock dun sa pharmacy sa hospital. So, dito kami sa Mercury Drug. And then, yeah. Meron pa akong konting trabaho. I just need to mark people's homework. Pero, I think I can get an early night tonight. Unlike yung mga ibang araw namin. Na sobrang pagod talaga ako. Late na. Nakatulog kasi ako today. I took 2 Advil and kumain ako ng maayos. Little bit earlier than I have been lately. So, sana makatulog ako ng mas maaga ngayon at mas magandang tulog ko. And then hopefully, starting from tomorrow, wala na akong daily headaches. Kasi this has been going on for 3 days na and I'm tired of it. Ayoko na. I'm tired of everything. Gusto ko ng actual holiday feels for the last 2 days na nandito ako sa Tacloban. After a while of waiting, finally na-release na itong kanta na ito. This obviously you'll see this after na-release na talaga ng kanta na medyo matagal na. But, I've been waiting for this song by Nox to release. And ngayon release na siya, so I'm so happy. The door is open, pero wala lang siya. Ah! Velvet! Hello, Velvet! This is our girl dog. This is Velvet. Hi, Velvet. Hi. Hello. Hello, girl. Oh. Hello, Velvet. Come here, girl. Oh, she's so cute. She's very lovely. Malambing talaga siya. Malambing siya. Velvet. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Velvet loves tummy rubs. Yan talagang paborito niya. Paborito mo, diba, Velvet? Ayan. Tummy rub, tummy rub. And then she gets mad at you pa kung mag-stop ka. See? You see? See? Okay. Okay, Velvet. Take a look at this. Ayan, oh. Tubig na galing gripo, na galing sa water pipes talaga. Walang amoy. It's clean kahit papaano. I wouldn't drink it without filtering it, but it's clean. Walang amoy. Ah! Sometimes talaga, hindi mo nare-realize gaano ka importante ang clean water na lumalabas talaga sa pipes. Kasi, for the past few days, every single time nandun ako nakasleep sa lola kong bahay, kailangan mo lagi maggamit ng mineral water to brush your teeth, to change your contact lenses. Kaya naka-glasses ako a lot lately. So, check your privilege. Check your privilege talaga. I am freshly showered. Nakasuot ako ng duster na hiniram ko sa mama ko. We solved the case of the missing sunglasses. Andito siya sa bag ng mama ko. Ayan, salamat naman. Nag-alala talaga ako kasi I was worried na naiwan namin siya sa Cebu. Pero hindi, it's here. Salamat. Lalo pa na I only have a few designer pieces and all of them either pinag-ipunan ko talaga like those sunglasses or regalo lang sa akin. Kaya, I'm happy na nahanap namin. But it is, ano nang oras? Past midnight na. So, matutulog na kami. Nice and early kasi meron pa na naman kaming gagawin bukas. Never ending. I hope that I can sleep in a little bit. It is just past 12. Oh, almost 1 na pala. On Saturday, the 25th of January. And happy na happy ako. Nakatulog ako for once in like little time na nandito ko sa Tacloban. Nakatulog ako as long as my body wanted. So happy ako. Problem is ngayon, wala nang tubig. So, nawasa. Or, yan bang Tagalog? Yan kasing waray eh. Yung tubig nagaling sa gripo. Nagaling sa, sa Leyte water ata dito. Anyway, walang tubig. Yung tubig na yan kasi hindi yan lagi. When we have it, we cherish it. Lately, ever since daw, sabi ng mama ko, ever since privatize siya, nabawalan na sila ng tubig. And, yan ang problema. Right now, normally, sabi ng mama ko, after 12, meron na yung tubig, pero wala pang tubig. So, halos wala kami magawa. But, mabuti na lang kagabi niligo ako. So, kakain lang kami ng lunch. Nagpapabili lang sa Andox, which is just across the street. And then, aalis na ata kami. Here is the Andox Toquito. Actually, since last month na nandito kami, lagi kong gusto mag-Andox. Pero kasi sa Manila, walang proper sit-down na Andox. At saka wala talagang Andox near us na merong parking na pwede kang park and pick up or park at kumain. Wala. Wala ring Andox na walking distance. Pero dito sa probinsya meron. So, Andox. Kakain lang ako ng konting clover. This is the cheesy flavor, which is probably my second favorite flavor ng clover. And then, ayan, may Royal Zero. Nakita lang namin to sa Robinson Supermarket the other day. And, ngayon ko lang siya nabuksan. It really tastes like Royal talaga. So, happy talaga ako that there's more zero options. So, it is past 2 p.m. na, almost 2:20. And wala pa rin tubig. So, medyo nakatenga lang kami muna dito kasi can't really brush your teeth, can't put on contact lenses. Kaya, mag-work na lang muna ako kasi alam ko meron nag-submit kagabi ng homework nila. So, yung final homework nila. So, ima-mark ko yung final homework niya and then send it back. And hopefully by then meron ng tubig. Kung wala, siguro I will edit some TikToks kasi there's 2 TikToks that have to be released before the Cebu vlog. I still have a lot of time naman. I still have 3 weeks. And the Cebu vlog needs to be uploaded because I want to upload my vlogs with about a 1-month delay for privacy reasons. So, meron pa rin naman time. But, nagloloko ang CapCut. And I heard na marami ng mga gustong bayaran ng CapCut para magamit mo. So, siguro I'll try and edit it on iMovie. Pero, wala pa kasi akong MacBook. I just have an iPad. So, I don't know how I'll edit on an iPad, pero I'll try and hopefully it'll work out well. Oh my God, can you hear that? Umuulan! Oh! Araw-araw na lang umuulan and parang biglaan na lang and then biglaan na lang wala. But, ayan, umuulan na. Pwede ba na yan na lang na fresh water gagamitin ko pang brush ng ngipin ko? Pwede ba yun? It is just past 3 o'clock. Meron na daw tubig. So, pwede na tayo mag-brush ng teeth. And just generally get ready. Para pag sabi nila na go na tayo, go na talaga. Okay, so sabi ng mama ko, dapat mag-contact lenses lang ako. So, I'm gonna grab my contact lenses. Pero wala tayong ka-makeup kasi nasa Tacloban lahat ng makeup ko. Wala dito. Here are the contact lenses that I use. These ones I bought in Korea. And actually, mahilig talaga ako ng Hapa Kristen. Ito yung brand na ito. I normally don't use colored contacts every day. And hindi ako nagde-dailies. Pero pag nagta-travel ako, lagi ako nagde-dailies. Kasi mas madali siya kaysa lagi akong nagdadala ng monthlies ko na contact lenses. Kasi yung monthlies ko, sa totoo lang, I have an allergy sa monthlies. Merong allergy dun sa proteins ng monthlies. Lagi ko kailangan yung AO-Sept, yung hydrogen peroxide na contact lens solution. And hassle niya talaga. Hassle. So, pag wala ako sa bahay, I just use dailies. Bihis na ako. Ayan. Bihis na ako. Pero, kailangan ko lang magbili ng luggage para sa flight namin ng mama ko ng Monday, pauwi ng Manila. Kasi nag-SEP pass lang kami. So, wala kaming baggage or anything. Bibili lang ako ng baggage habang pa ako naghintay sa mama ko. Kasi she's finishing getting changed bago kami umalis. Done! Got the baggage na. Ako talaga yung family travel agent. Kaya, responsibilidad ko talaga yung lahat. Dito kami ngayon sa isang cafe. Cafe, ano ba yung pangalan ito? Cafe Acacia. Kasi nag-meet ang mama ko with her friends. Pipick upin pa ako ng auntie ko later. Kung matagalan ng mama ko dito. Pero parang nagugutom ako, pero hindi ako gutom na gutom. So, pupunta muna ako ng Hapchan. Bibili lang ako ng soup para meron akong makain, pero hindi ako magpupusog. Diba? Ayan ang pinuntahan ko dito sa Hapchan. Soup lang. We are back dito sa Handyman. Buying more dog food. Kasi we think the dogs are a little bit sick. And ang gusto lang nila ngayon is wet food. Ayaw nila ngayon ng kibble. So, we're buying them a lot of wet food. We are at La Maison Pujab. First time ko dito mag-try. Yan ang butter chicken, squid curry. That's not mine, obviously. Basmati rice and biryani chicken. And panipuri. And Mama's already finished her samosas almost. Not gonna lie, my starter came so late, I forgot about it. Pero ayan, nag-roti canay rin ako. We are back at Robinson's. Nandito na naman kami sa Drake's. Nakakain ng lola ko at saka ang auntie ko. Because kumain na kami, busog na kami. Pero, I got a lemonade kasi masarap yung lemonade nila dito. So, it's okay. Nauuhaw pa naman ako. So, okay lang. We're now at my lola's house. I keep sneezing. Ewan ko bakit. Nakakayamot na, pero dito kami kasi I'm applying for their visa papunta sa UK. Ayan, nakalabas na ang lahat. Ayan. Passports. So, ito muna ang ginagawa namin before we can go home. Hello, we just got home dito sa bahay ng mama ko. It is just past 1 o'clock na sa umaga. And I am, oh my god, ang kate-kate ng ilong ko dito sa labas. And nagsisneeze ako, grabe. From this morning pa actually ako nagsisneeze. Pero naggrabe lang tonight. So, nag-inom na ako ng BioFlu, isang BioFlu, tsaka isa pang antihistamine. And I'm going to go to sleep now. Because, look at me. Ewan ko ano nangyari. Hopefully, I'm not getting sick. Pero, I guess we'll find out. We need to fly talaga on Monday. So, sana naman, I hold off until Monday. If I'm gonna get sick, please get sick Tuesday onwards. Okay. Tomorrow, we're packing. And, kasi, Monday, ng 8 a.m. ang flight namin. So, see you tomorrow.
It is just past 1 in the afternoon on, ano bang date? Ano bang date ngayon? 26. On the 26th of January. 1:30 na pala. I've been awake mga half an hour na. And I am sick, as you can tell. May sipon talaga ako. And I keep sneezing pa rin. Pero so far, that's it. I am making pancit canton. Yan ang breakfast ko today. Mama is eating it traditionally Filipino style. Nagkukuha siya ng tinapay. Linalagay niya sa loob ng tinapay yung pancit canton. Ayan, see. It's carbs on carbs. I'm washing that down with some OG Zesto. Kailangan talaga itong OG talaga na Zesto. Bumili kami ng, like, parehas pa rin siya na brand. Zesto daw. Sa Landers. Ang pangat ng lasa. It was like super watered down Zesto. Na sinasabi lang nilang healthy. Yuck, ang pangit ng lasa. So, OG Zesto. Then, iinom ako ng BioFlu. BioFlu. Tsaka siguro isang Biogesic. BioFlu and Biogesic. I'm in bed kasi I'm sick. What a way to end our time dito sa Tacloban. We're on our way na to Tacloban kasi that's where we're gonna stay overnight to catch our flight in the morning. As in, wala akong ginawa kung hindi matulog. I just rested and slept kasi parang hindi magandang pakiramdam ko. So, we're on our way back to Tacloban and nag-offer ang mama ko na that we should just catch a different flight. Pero ayoko kasi una, binayaran na namin. Wala yung refund. And two, gusto ko magpahinga sa sarili kong bed. Feeling ko I'll be better that way. So, ngayon, it's almost 10 o'clock and papunta pa lang kami ng Tacloban ngayon. I also haven't eaten since that pancit canton. We just stopped by Rafael's to have some silog. Ako nag-hot silog ako. We are at my lola's house na in Tacloban and we are packing my stuff kasi dito ko talaga siyang iniwan. Ayan, nagpapack na kami. Medyo magulo lang yung kwarto, but that's okay. Wala naman akong lagnat. Chinek ako ng lola ko. Pero hindi pa ganun kagandang ang pakiramdam ko. Kaya we're just pushing through. Sana naman hindi na ito ganun katagal. And makatulog na ako kasi 8 o'clock in the morning ang flight namin bukas. Di ko feel. Gusto ko talaga matulog lang. We are mostly packed na. Ayan, done ng mama ko. And ako naman, mostly done. Kailangan na lang yun ayusin ng konti ng isara. Meron pa kasi akong kailangan kunin from that bag tomorrow. So, bukas ko na yun siya. I-close na maayos. Anyway, matutulog na muna kami. Kasi, sobrang sakit ang katawan ko. And, early kami tomorrow. So, yes, this is the last day. Last full day in Tacloban. In the province. And, it was not a very nice day. Yung nga, kasi may sakit. Pero, what can you do? It is 6:30 something on Monday, the 27th of January, and gising na ako. Bihis na nga ako eh. I've been awake only mga 15 minutes pa lang. So, mabilis talaga. Grabe. Kasi, we have a flight to catch and kailangan muna namin tapusin ang packing. Our flight is in like 1 hour and 20 minutes pero malapit lang naman kami sa airport. So, bibilisan lang namin. It is just past 7 o'clock. And nandito na ako sa sasakyan. And you can see in the back of the pickup, nandiyan na yung gamit namin. I feel a bit tired and a bit sick, but a little bit better than last night. So, we're here and we're a few minutes late. Sana naman papayagan pa rin kami. Okay, so sabi ko na nga ba, dapat talaga nagmadali kami dun sa bahay. Kasi kami, ready na kami. 7:50, parang ganun, ready na kami umalis. Pero ginising ko pa ang auntie ko para i-drop off kami. And then, na-delay kami dun sa gate namin sa bahay. So, ngayon, we're less than 5 minutes late, pero meron ng charge. 2.5 daw per bag. So, grabe. Kaskas. 5,000 pesos. Wala na. But, ano ba bang gagawin namin? Okay, so, less than 10 minutes before sabi niya nag-close yung check-in, nandito na kami, and walang katao-tao. I mean, it's pretty quiet. And, wala pa yung plane. It's nowhere to be seen. And then, tinignan ko pa yung resibo na binigay sa akin. Una, hindi nila binigyan ng PWD discount. Sabi daw, kailangan mo daw yun online i-applyan. And nandun naman sa resibo mismo fill up lang niya 0000 kasi she didn't wanna do it. And then, ano pa, hindi ko mahanap yung charge na yan. It doesn't say anything sa online nila, wala talaga. So, i-complain ko siya kasi grabe naman. Like, gets ko na close 45 minutes before, pero I would rather they just had said na hindi na kami pwede mag-check-in ng gamit namin. Like, flat out. But instead, they took it. And then they charged us 5,000 pesos for it. So, medyo naiinis ako. So, I'll deal with it when we get home.
Pull tape to
We're on the
tighten.
airplane now.
When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual
Safety announcement.
inflation is done by means.
Hopefully you can hear this, but I always play yung game sa Cebu Pacific. And I won, so there it is. The foodie one, it says, I have a collection of these pouches na basically. Kasi almost every single time ako naglilipad ng Cebu Pacific, if they do this game and gising ako, I play it. And more often than not, I win something. Ayan. I answered the question, where is the life vest found? Under sea. We are off! It's a remote gate! And I can't feel my ear. Pero sige na lang. And then meron pa talaga magpupush sa harap ng linya. Hintay ka. Kakayamot siya. We are now at Pancake House dito sa airport. We're still waiting for Mama's food, pero nandito na yung akin. And I have a bacon and cheese medley. And so, I guess ito yung perfect time na i-end ko na yung vlog. That was 1 week in Tacloban, and now we're back in Manila. I guess it was not a very nice ending sa Tacloban. Obviously, nagkasakit ako. I still don't feel very good, pero at least pauwi na kami. And yung pa sa airport, feeling ko talaga I very rarely have a good experience talaga sa ground handling ng Cebu Pacific. The exception lang talaga is pagkasama ko ang partner ko. And I have a sneaking suspicion regarding bakit mas magandang trato sa amin pag nandun ang partner ko. But anyway, I'm gonna send in my complaint kasi yung nga, she violated some of our rights. Kaya, I guess we can only find out what's gonna happen with that. Next adventure is pupunta na kami ng Australia ng mama ko in a few days, in about 10 days. So, yeah, I guess see you all in Australia. Bye.